Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon custard updated. Whisk 3 eggs with 1 cup sugar and lemon zest, then temper with warm milk to avoid scrambling. Cook gently until thickened, stirring constantly. Use fresh lemons for bright flavor and adjust sugar to taste, keeping balance between sweet and tart. Strain for extra smoothness, cool slightly, then chill before serving for perfect consistency. Start by measuring ingredients and prepping your lemons so everything moves quickly. Zest before juicing to capture the essential oils that brighten flavor. Warm milk slowly over low heat while whisking eggs and sugar in a separate bowl. Tempering is crucial. Slowly add warm milk to eggs while whisking to avoid cooked bits. Return the mix to low heat and stir until it coats the spoon for the right thickness. Keep your heat low and your attention high to prevent scrambling and ensure even thickening. Use a wooden spoon or silicone spatula and stir in gentle figure-8 motions until the mixture coats the spoon. Passing the custard through a sieve removes any tiny cooked bits and improves texture. Pour into serving dishes, cover to prevent skin, and chill for at least 2 hours so the flavor melds and the custard sets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.